can't even in your life know how much this wig costs.
It's nothing easy. We've tried to liberate the people of the world, and I don't know.
Freedom. DanaMotion.com. Shatter. Freedom. Shatter.
Too much swag. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I put the down cap. Okay, this is my bride because I'm going to do another video today, so stay tuned for that video. So today we're going to review this wig. Yes, this wig is from living here, and they sent to me this wig like two weeks ago. Like, it come this Friday. Today is Monday, and it come in this Friday. Yes, and I have another here, and I will do that tutorial today, but I'm going to upload it the next week. I think next week. Now I'm going to upload it other day, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, so yeah, this here take like 2 weeks and have to come, like 12 days. Yes, 12 or 13 days to come, because it's normal shipping. Okay, this is silver. It's normal shipping. When it's normal shipping, it takes like 12 or 13 days to come. But if it's DHL, you will have it in 5 days in your house. So you can choose normal shipping and you can choose DHL. So let's go. I talking so much. Let's go to this video. I'm talking too much. Okay, they sent me a wig cap. Okay, this is the wig cap. I use my already. Okay, and this is the wig. It come like this. It's colorful, very colorful. Like, okay, it come with mess cap. Damn. Se quedó ahí pegado. Send me this mascara. Come with the make. Okay, wait. I use but this, and this is the wig. Let me shake it. Shake it off. Okay. Empieza a parecer persona. Shake it off. Okay, this is they come with one. Come here. Of course, adjustable traps. Yes, you have only one comb and adjustable traps. Okay. Let me do like this. La. Este tipo de situaciones necesitamos música, ¿eh? Oh. La. Now I'm going to put it in my hair. Okay. Come to me curly hair. Come to Danny. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Por ti vivo yo. This is nice. I can't see nothing, but they look nice and fluffy. Ooh, I like this. But let me cut something, because hey, I think I don't need to cut. This piece is the back side, so I don't need to cut nothing. Baby, you look gorgeous. Let me. Oh. You can do it like, if you don't want to cut it, you can do it like this. Let me flip. Yeah. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Please, Janiki. Please. Who born you? Please, girls. Who born this fine girl? Who born me? Soy un bombón, como dice la canción. Your body na ebano. My body na ebano. From the price. You can't even in your life know how much this wig costs. You see it? It's not natural, it's synthetic wig. For you have it from 10, yes, $10 to $13. Why? Because of the colors. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can't imagine, $10 for this gorgeous wig. Hey, oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daniki. Yeah, you know, it's your girl Daniki. If you're new here, I will give you like 3 seconds to subscribe in that red button. Subscribe and click that bell so you will notificate when I upload new video. Yes. Why I tell you this? Because right now, I will remove this wig and I will do another hairstyle. So you have to be notified because you have to wait for that hairstyle. Okay? Okay. Subscribe. You want to know where this wig come? This wig is for living hair in AliExpress. Yes, living hair. I will leave the link of this wig directly. Yes, directly to this wig down below, and I will leave living hair shop down below too. So go and check more hairstyles because I'm going to do another hairstyle and it's from living hair. You have to know that. Okay. So bye. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up and comment if you want to tell me something. If you want to tell me that my lashes is going to fly, comment down below and tell me. Because I know the heat is too much here. So understand me, okay? Bye. Bye. This is so cool. By the way, guys, by this time you're going to upload this video. By this time I'm going to upload this video. I'm very sure that I hit 4K. I have 4K subscribers. 4,000 suscriptores. 4,000 suscriptores. 4,000 suscriptores. 4,000 suscriptores. Solo 4,000. Solo 4,000. Con esta preciosidad de peluca. Dios mío. Who bought me?